In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a two-way sync between Microsoft Outlook calendar events and Clickup tasks. This integration can really streamline your workflow by ensuring that your calendar events and task lists are always in harmony. So, let's get started. To kick things off, head over to the Clickup website. If you're not there already, simply open your web browser and type in the URL for Clickup, or use your favorite search engine to find the Clickup homepage. Once you're on the site, look for the login button. It should be pretty visible at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. Now you're on the login page and you'll see an option to sign in with Google. Click on it and a pop-up will appear prompting you to select your Google account. Choose the account you use with Clickup to seamlessly log in. If you haven't linked your Google account before, make sure to follow the instructions to do so. Once you're logged into Clickup, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu. Hover over the apps option in this menu. This will bring up the App Center, where you'll be able to manage various integrations. In the App Center, there's a search bar you can use to find specific apps. Go ahead and type Outlook into the search bar. As the search results populate, look for Outlook Calendar. Click on the Outlook Calendar option to start setting up the sync. After selecting the Outlook calendar, the next step is to configure the integration. You'll see a configure button. Click on this and follow the subsequent prompts. This part might take a moment as ClickUp sets the stage for syncing with Outlook. When prompted, click Connect to link your Outlook calendar with ClickUp. If this is your first time setting up a connection, you might be asked to authorize ClickUp to access your Outlook account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. And just like that, you've set up a two-way sync between your Outlook calendar and ClickUp tasks. This integration is super useful for keeping all your scheduled events and tasks unified across platforms. It's as easy as that and can save you a lot of time in the long run. By integrating ClickUp with your Outlook calendar, you ensure that your meetings, deadlines, and tasks are always in sync, allowing you to stay organized and focused on your work. Thanks for tuning in and happy syncing.